So this one is the limit as x goes to 5 of 1 over x minus 5. So when we try to plug in 5, I get my 1 on my top, that stays the same, but then I get a 0 in the bottom. So I get 1 over 0. You should know at this point that if I get any number over 0 other than a 0, that that's going to create a vertical asymptote. Like that, at that x equals 5. So what I really have to do, I either have so I'm looking at either have the right side goes up like that, and the left side goes down, or I could have the left side going up. I'll draw them all in here. So I could have the combination of this and this, I could have the combination of this and this, or I could have the combination of this and this, or lastly this and this. So I have to figure out if they both go up, then my answer is going to be infinity. If they both go down, then my answer is going to be negative infinity. So what I need to do is test some numbers to figure out what each side does, and then make a conclusion based on that. So to test numbers, I'm going to go, I'm going to go left of that x equals 5. That's what my vertical asymptote is, and right of my x equals 5. So my left number, I'm going to take a 4, and I do 1 over, I'm just testing it into this fraction right here. 1 over 4 minus 5, so I'm letting x be 4. And that gives me 1 over negative 5, which is 1 over negative 1, which is still a negative number. So that tells me that the left limit of the 5 is going to go to negative infinity. So maybe I'll draw it in red. So that means that the left side is going to look like this. And then I'm going to go and test the number to the right of it. So I'm going to test 6. So I got 6. I'm testing x equals 6. This gives me 1 over 6 minus 5, which is 1 over 1, which is 1, which is positive, which tells me that we go to positive infinity. So that means that the right side is going to go like this. And as you should see, 1 goes up, 1 goes down. In order for the limit to exist, I need them to go to the same thing. It does not. So my limit does not exist.